What's something people don't know about the Leaning Tower of Pisa? It's not just a quirky tourist attraction, it's a testament to engineering genius. So back in 1990, the Leaning Tower of Pisa was, well, leaning a bit too much. 5.5 degrees to be precise. It was on the brink of collapsing thanks to uneven soil beneath it. That's right, sand on one side, clay on the other. Talk about an unstable foundation. The tower's construction began in 1173, and it started leaning even before it was completed. Over the centuries, various attempts were made to correct the tilt, but none were successful. The tower continued to lean more and more, and by the late 20th century, it was in serious danger of toppling over. Fast forward to the rescue mission. Engineers swooped in like superheroes, first adding a concrete ring at the base and 600 tons of lead counterweights to the north side. That bought some time but didn't solve the problem. The engineers knew they needed a more permanent solution. They tried anchoring the tower with cables and other supports, but guess what? It caused the tower to lean even more. Oops, more lead weights to the rescue. The lead weights helped stabilize the tower temporarily, but the engineers knew they needed to address the root cause of the problem: the unstable soil beneath the tower. So what's the magic trick that finally worked? Under excavation. They removed 70 tons of soil from the north side, slowly and carefully. This allowed the tower to settle back without toppling over. They even installed a drainage system and tied the tower to its surrounding walkway for extra stability. The under-excavation process was delicate and required precise calculations and careful monitoring. The engineers had to ensure that the soil removal was done evenly and gradually to avoid causing any sudden shifts that could destabilize the tower further. All this effort reduced the tilt by 0.5 degrees, taking it back to its 1800s glory. The lean wasn't fully corrected though, gotta keep that iconic tilt, right? The engineers wanted to preserve the tower's unique character while ensuring its safety. They also implemented a long-term monitoring system to keep an eye on the tower's stability and make any necessary adjustments in the future. So next time you admire the Leaning Tower, remember, it's not just a marvel of medieval architecture but also a showcase of brilliant engineering. The efforts to save the tower involved a combination of historical preservation, modern engineering techniques, and innovative problem-solving. The project brought together experts from various fields, including geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, and conservation. Aren't you glad it didn't face-plant into history? The Leaning Tower of Pisa stands today as a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. It's a reminder that even the most challenging problems can be solved with creativity, collaboration, and determination. So, the next time you visit this iconic landmark, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering feat that saved it from disaster.